Hello class 7, I hope you all are good and doing well in your studies. Students, today I am going to tell you about the Imperial Cholas, which is there in your chapter number 3, History, the Kingdoms of the South. Chola dynasty ruled over 400 years, and this particular period in the history is known as the Classic Age of the South India. So with the help of this video, I am going to tell you more about the Chola dynasty and the rulers in this particular period.
In class 6th, you have studied about the powerful Chola dynasty. Their dynasty was between the 1st and 3rd century AD, but after it was declined. Again, the Cholas rose in the dominance in the second half of 9th century and became the most powerful dynasty of South India. They ruled over 400 years, and this period is known as the Classic Age of South India. The decline of the Pallavas in the 9th century created political pressure which was felt by the Cholas. Vijayalaya Chola was a feudal of the Pallavas who captured Tanjore and made its capital. Thus, he considered as the founder of Chola Empire. Out of the three kingdoms, the Cholas were the most powerful. These are few of the rulers of the Chola dynasty: Rajaraja Chola, Rajadhiraja Chola, Kulothunga Chola, Kulothunga Chola I and Vikrama Chola, Kalinga, Ilam and Kataha. This is the image of Rajaraja Chola I. He was the most powerful ruler. Out of the three kingdoms of South, that is the Cheras, the Pandyas and the Cholas were the most powerful. You can also see in this image the symbols that they are using. The Cheras are using the arrow and bow, Pandyas they are using the fish, and the most powerful empire Cholas, they are using the symbol of tiger. The Cholas came into power once again when Vijayalaya, a Chola chief, defeated the subordinates of the Pallava kings of Kanchipuram and captured the Kaveri Delta. He built the town of Thanjavur, that is known as Tanjore, and made his capital. By defeating the Chalukyas, he once again made the Cholas a dominant power in the south. In 985 AD, the Rajaraj Chola I emerged out and resurged the Chola Empire, expanded till Mysore. You can see in this image that how they have expanded their kingdom and conquered the Mysore region also. Although established by the Vijayalaya Chola, but Prantak Chola I was first sovereign king who defeated Pandya and Sri Lankans. Chola sent an expedition against Bengal through Kalinga. He defeated Bengal and Bihar. The victorious in the Gangetic Delta, he assumed the title Gangai Kond and founded a capital. This particular age is also known as the Golden Age of Cholas.
Till then, bye bye everyone. See you in the next class with some more information about the Chola administration and its working. Thank you for watching me.